Gunnison Sheet Metal and Roll Forming.
Oh yeah.
Gunnison Sheet Metal Shop Talk.
Yeah, baby.
Featuring Josh.
Hey, welcome to Gunnison Sheet Metal Shop Talk. Today we're going to be talking about our heat tape cable. What we sell is self-regulating heat tape cable in both 120 volt and 240 volt. This depends on just kind of where you're wanting to put it on your roof, how much wattage you're wanting to get through there, kind of how much ice you're really trying to melt. We install this in both gutters and in valleys. We install it along eaves and pretty much anywhere we think ice and snow is going to build up, where you're going to want it to melt out and kind of just shed off of your roof. We sell this by the foot, and we sell all the accessories and everything you're going to need for the heat tape install. Right here behind me is a 120 volt GFI plug-in kit. This has a 20-foot lead on it, so you can plug in basically to any normal 120 outlet around your house. It's going to come with a heat shrink and butt splice kit. This also has the butt end kit, so you can basically cap the end of the heat tape cable. It's going to have everything you need in this kit for you. And so we'll sell you whatever you need. You can hook it up to the S5 clamps, as you've seen in some of our other videos. We'll get you whatever you need.